This is a one-of-a-kind 2004 Jeep Wrangler X, 29,000 miles, one owner, lifted, rhino line top to bottom, wheels, tires lifted. It is running, it needs absolutely nothing, and in pristine condition. It has underglow lights. You can choose from 1,000 different colors. It's an app on your phone. You can change it to music. It goes to the beat of your music. You can change them to any color you want just by using the app on your phone. Right now we have them blinking, and I don't know how to switch it up from my phone to the video, so I'm going to leave them blinking for you. It is in immaculate condition, and yes, it does have 29,000 miles on it. The floor is rhino line. Just get in and spray it out. Bluetooth radio, 29,853 miles. Obviously four-wheel drive, inline 4.0. Has these cool little sliding windows for half doors. Pretty cool. Top's in great condition. It's a best built top, or best top, sorry. Swing arm gate, brand new tires, brand new wheels. Our shop did it all. Lifted. Rhino line top to bottom, needs absolutely nothing. A one-of-a-kind Jeep, and with 29,000 miles, can't go wrong. So this is a one-owner 2004 Jeep Wrangler X that's been customized, 29,000 original miles, needs absolutely nothing. Underglow lights, rhino lined, lifted, wheels, tires, you name it, it has it.